Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We have here another repair. It's a floor lamp about 6 feet tall that we are going to rewire. And replace the two quartz flange socket. Let's start. Remove the screen bulb cover. Remove the bulb by pushing the bulb on one side. Loosen the hex nut in order to remove the socket holder plate. Disconnect the wire of the socket from the power cord. Loosen the two hex nut on both sockets in order to remove the socket from the socket holder plate. This is the old socket contact looks like. It is corroded. This is a common problem if you are using a halogen bulb. When you install the new socket, make sure that this part is facing up so that you can easily install the new bulb. Insert the wire of the socket to the hole of the socket holder plate. And put the hex nut and tighten it. Now let's cut a black round cord wire from the spool about 15 feet long. Remove the old wire by pulling down from the base of the lamp. Install the new plug to the end of the new wire. Before inserting the power cord from the base going up to the top of the lamp, you have to open the end of the power cord to separate the wire. Insert the wire bushing to the side base of the lamp. Then insert the power cord to the side hole of the base. Insert the power cord from the base to the top. Connect the malleable hickey to the top center of the floor lamp. Put back the ring and the socket holder plate to the top and connect the socket wire to the power cord. Put back the hex nut that holds the socket holder plate and tighten it. Before installing the halogen bulb, clean first with tissue paper. Connect the power cord plug to the floor slide dimmer. Now let's plug into the outlet. Let's see if it works. It doesn't work, so let's bypass the floor slide dimmer and plug in directly the floor lamp. So it works. Let's open the floor slide dimmer. And check the fuse. The fuse is bad, so we're going to put a new one.